Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. We are getting ready to make sweet potato pies, guys. Yes, made from scratch. Nice, flaky, buttery crust, all made from scratch. You guys saw the title, you saw the thumbnail. If you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes made from scratch, the easy and simple way, guys, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. I have a whole channel full of stuff that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Now guys, for my sweet potato pies, I always bake my potatoes. I don't boil them, I bake them because to me, they have more flavor. Now there are a ton of ways to make sweet potato pies and everyone does it different. There's no right, there's no wrong, but this is my way. And guys, if you bake it my way, you are sure to have an awesome sweet potato pie. So let's go ahead. I'm going to just take the skin off of these potatoes and get them all prepared. Just want to peel the skin off, guys. Just peel the skin off, easy. Just like that, guys. Okay, I'm gonna get these all peeled and we'll be back. Okay guys, so as you can see, I am making my pie crust. If you want to know the exact recipe and exactly how to make a flaky, buttery pie crust, that link is right above. Make sure you watch that video. Give it a thumbs up and leave some comments over there too, guys. Okay guys, so we have both of our pie crust made and ready to go, but before you fill your pie crust, you want to put them back in the refrigerator to let that butter get cold from the warmth of your hands. So we're going to get these in the refrigerator and we'll be right back to start making the pie filling. Okay guys, we are ready to make our pie filling and I'm going to be doing something a little bit differently that I typically don't do when I make my sweet potato pies. At a certain point in time, I'm going to divide my actual sweet potatoes because I'm making two pies and one will have no sugar plus nutmeg and the other one will have sugar with no nutmeg. We have two different tastes going on in the family, so I'm doing this specifically that way. But otherwise, my typical pies, I would do all in one batch. So when you see me separating the batter or the potatoes, you'll know why. Let's get busy. Okay guys, so I have my potatoes all peeled and in the bowl here. And you see two bowls. As I mentioned, at some point in time, I will be separating. We have 4 eggs. We have a cup of sugar. We have a half a cup of butter. We have 3 tablespoons of vanilla extract, cloves, nutmeg, cinnamon, and milk. Now the nutmeg will not go in but one pie, and the sugar will only go in one pie. The rest of the ingredients will all be in here. So the first thing we want to do is get our potatoes whipped up first by themselves before anything else goes in. All right, guys. Okay, guys, and I forgot to mention we will be putting in about a half a cup of flour, regular all-purpose flour. So we're going to go in with our eggs. Okay guys, now before I finish, I'm going to separate this batter. I'm going to eyeball it, so hopefully both the pies will come out to be about the same. I think that's about right. But you guys see, I know that the one with the sugar in it is going to get eaten well more than the one without. So, there you have it. Okay, let's go ahead and get our sugar in here. And I'm going to put a little bit more cinnamon in this one. We love our cinnamon taste. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with a little nutmeg on this one. That's how I always say you need a pinch of salt. I'm just going to go in with a little pinch of salt. A little pinch of salt to bring out that flavor. Okay. All right, guys, it's time to fill our pie crust. And guys, one more thing that I am going to do that I typically don't do. I'm going to sprinkle a little nutmeg across the pie that will have the nutmeg in it. So I'm going to sprinkle it so that a little bit will get on the edges. Just a little bit on the edges, so we'll know as it cooks, you'll be able to tell it. If I was thinking earlier when I did the actual pie crust, I would have put a little bit of this nutmeg in the crust. Okay guys, so we're going to fill our regular pie first. I call it the regular pie. I'm gonna get all the love out the bowl, guys. Don't leave any in. Okay, set that aside. And you just want to spread it out. Okay, there we have our first one all ready to go in the oven. We will be baking these in a 425-degree oven for about, 35, 45 minutes, or until it sets and the edges start to brown. I will be putting foil on my edges in the beginning so they won't brown too fast. Okay guys, we are all ready for the oven, and we'll be back when they come out. Oh, and guys, one more thing right before we go in the oven. To make sure the edges don't brown too fast before the pie cooks, we want to just cover the edges in foil. Then we can take these off at the last minute. Make sure that if you do this, that the foil does not touch the actual filling, because it will pull the filling off or out when you take the foil off. Make sure it's just above the filling all the way around. And it usually takes 3 strips of foil to cover the edge of a normal pie plate, 9-inch pie plate. Okay guys, so we will be back when our pie is done. Okay guys, we are all done. As you can see, this is the one with the sugar and no nutmeg. This is the one with lots of nutmeg. And as you can see, it's slightly darker, same temp, same oven, same time, same cooking time. So we're gonna cut into this one. It may not be cool enough, but let's try and see. Let's try and see. Ooh, that's still hot. The glass is still hot. Okay. Let's see if we can get this out of here. It is still piping hot, guys, piping hot. You really want to let them cool till they completely set, but we're gonna go for it today. All right, yes, as you can see, it's coming apart a little bit, but look at that, guys. Look at that steam coming out of there. Look at that steam. Oh my goodness, it is piping hot, guys, piping hot. Okay, guys, let's get ready for our taste test. Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead and taste it, but it looks delicious. It is still steam is coming out. Oh my goodness, if you could smell it. Let's see. I need to take a small piece because it's hot. Yes. It's not too hot. I need a scoop of ice cream. You gotta make some, guys. You have to make some. This is amazing, delicious. You can smell the cinnamon and the cloves. Tis the season. Guys, this is so good. And I thank you all for watching. Guys, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up. Turn the notification bell on so that you will get notified every time I upload another amazing video, guys. Leave me some comments. Sharing is caring, so share me out, share me out, share me out. Guys, thank you so much for coming and hanging out today with me in my kitchen. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all, and I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.